Your turn.
No. I missed that. I accidentally pushed that button on accident. And then,
Hurry. I need somebody to help me. Dr. Kim, can you please help me? You're Dr. Kim.
what's your name? I'm sick today. I'm sick today. Now we
Dr. Kim, I need really help. You're Dr. Kim. No sneezing. You can't sneeze, okay?
Here's some medicine. You're welcome, Mr. King. Hi, I'm sick.